People are stepping up to help after our report on a mix-up involving Toys for Tots that meant hundreds of kids might not get any toys for Christmas. At the same time, we're learning about more groups that somehow got left out. David Highfield reports.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Thank you. God bless you.
Teresa Germany is giving out lots of hugs. That's because her group, Sisters Helping Sisters, now has toys to give out to hundreds of kids. Donations keep rolling in.
There's so many children who wouldn't get their Christmas presents, so I thought, well, I have some extra time today. I'm going to run to Walmart and get some toys and bring them over.
To give you an idea, this room was completely empty last night, and now you can see there are toys everywhere, practically waist high with toys. It's even difficult to find paths to walk through here. Sisters Helping Sisters applied for toys, but Toys for Tots said it never got their application, and at least 9 other groups appear to be in the same boat. Lifeline Community Outreach was hours away from a party with no toys until Germany shared some of the ones donated to her group.
My heart was aching because I would not want to experience a child not having something under the tree.
And there are more efforts to help. A man who heard Marty Griffin on the radio donated a warehouse full of toys to East Liberty Family Health Care. The blogger behind I Heart Pittsburgh has raised more than $4,000 plus toy donations so she and her friends can help all the groups who got caught in the mix-up.
Whatever we don't get in physical things, then we're going to go shopping with the money that's left and try and fill the list.
Toys for Tots released a statement. There is no record of any completed request having been submitted by the agencies in question. Agencies with incomplete online applications were notified that there was insufficient information input to the system concerning their orders, and toys would be provided if available. But Germany says she submitted the application just like she's done for years and hasn't gotten an explanation.
No calls, no nothing, no emails, nothing. But that's okay. That's all right. God has truly blessed us, and we're going to be okay.
David Highfield, KDKA TV News.